Cool deal. All right. Let's get it. I like to start my charts clean.
Okay.
I'm probably not gonna scalp gold.
I'm in trade on G.
Broke up. What you say?
Oh, I said I'm in GCAD buy.
Oh, GCAD buys. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we got this right here. Maybe we can get a fresh break off this high over here.
Yeah, where it is right now, entry. Yeah.
Right. We could probably aim for these highs. So that's
Yeah. I'm looking for the you open a GU?
Yeah. I'm really looking at AU. AU looks a little better, but let's see. I don't know if GU, I might have to wait for the highs to break, which is only like 13 pips away. Still on 5 minutes. This broke at 450. Would have been 10 pips already right there. So from here to here would be 22 pips. There is nothing in this range that's going to stop it. Unless it's this traffic over here that I see right here. That's the only thing I can see from stopping it. So GU 120816. 69, 69, 570. Like I can go ahead and like enter and just like have a 12 pip stop loss right here, but I think that would be a little bit too much. Just in case it draws back. So if it does come back and retest this, probably come back and retest it on this area right here.
We have FMC today.
Oh yeah, I'm not trading nothing after this. I'm gonna leave today alone because FOMC is crazy. I always lose on FOMC.
Yep. I think I prefer NFT. Last time I saw that, it was crazy. FMC up down, the next day jump,
bro.
100 pips.
Oh man! And then you enter the trade. You like, man, yeah, I'm in 20 pips profit. Then you come back and you like 20 pips not in profit.
Man, there was a time I was in a trade. It was like USD. I think it was last year. FOMC came out. I was in like 50 pips profit, like one candle straight down 50 pips. Then I was excited. Then I had a target down, a zone below. Then I switched up the chart and came back like 5 minutes or 10 minutes later, and for me to see, I didn't see my trade anymore. I was like, what? The same candle that was 50 down was the same candle that went back up, continued growing up. Then there was this large wick that left.
Dang. Bro, I bet you was mad, but you wanted to throw your dang laptop. Shoot. So we got the dub on AU last yesterday morning, so let's see if we can get another dub on AU. We'll just wait. Oh, I forgot about GJ. GJ a little choppy in this range. We see this play. Well, we see what's going on. We see what's going on. Got my good coffee in. GU.
Funny how GU dropped today and now it's already at the high of Monday.
Yeah, I was looking to buy GU and AU. I was going to buy GU around New York session yesterday, and I was going to buy along with GJ, and I was going to buy AU last night. And of course, look what happens. It buys up, and that was up 27 pips.
I didn't expect them to go back up, actually.
You said what again?
I didn't expect them to go back. I thought maybe they were going to continue down. Yes. It was London. Well, AU dumped a little bit at Asian. Like, how many? Like 40 people.
Yeah.
During Asian.
Actually, AU dumped 32 pips. So, like, this is what's crazy. And I learned this from Raja, too. So, he said that the reason why the markets do this is because you have to remember, like, one news event doesn't really change the overall bias of the market. So what he is saying is like this dump right here came from the news of the event last night, right? But
yeah,
then he said, oh, well, for example, but the Australian dollar is still somewhat strong. You know, the Australian dollar is still like doing good. So then it continues up in this uptrend, which is crazy because it's the same thing with inflation. It's kind of like, you know, the US dollar dumps, you know, because something bad happens, and then you know when it just shoots right back up because it's like, oh crap, it's inflation still. So the dollar's still like, you know, doing interest, you know, using interest rates to save itself, and then it just goes right back up. So in other words, the market is not really like, it's not really manipulating. Like there is news manipulation, of course, but it's not always manipulation. He's basically saying like one news event could just make the market go another way, and then it'll continue in its initial direction because the conditions of the market remains the same. So that was really eye-opening. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of that. Like you see an uptrend, and then all of a sudden, bam, one big drop. 2 days later, to ignore that.
Exactly right. I hate it, bro. You're like, man, what is going on here? Let's see what we got here. It's on GU. We got that. Shoot. I think with GU, I can't mess with it really like that. So I have to wait till these break of these highs just to be on the safe side. And then if this breaks, you know where we're heading. It's these lows right here. So that would be
Have you taken your coffee?
Say that again.
Have you taken your coffee?
Yes, sir.
Or you came prepared?
Well, I woke up at 5. Boy, I was like, I was like, I feel like sleeping more. I had a dream. I had a dream that I overslept till like 5:30 a.m. and I was like, oh crap! And I woke up and it wasn't really 5:30. That's how hard I was sleeping.
Did you sleep late last night?
Nah, I went to bed around 10.
Pretty early.
Yeah, I usually go to bed early. And I usually go to bed at 9:30, but I was up playing, like I have this old FIFA game, and I was up playing that.
Yeah.
Say what?
Is it FIFA 22? Is it FIFA 22?
Nah, it was an old FIFA. It was like, I haven't played it in a while. It was like FIFA 2018.
So,
Oh shoot! So GU is crossing. Let me see. Let's see.
yeah, at the same time, GCAT 2 is going up.
Oh, nice, beautiful. All right, so we got this right here. So I want to see it close above though. Let's see it close above. Because it's still at the high. Let me see, it's at the high of yesterday, so we got to be careful with this. Could continue up here. That's why I like AU better. To be honest, I really could buy this thing right now. Except 5 pip stop loss. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna think I'm gonna buy AU if it breaks this. What is it, dang? 37. I'm gonna wait till about like 5:45. The market created support right here, so market creates support right here. Let's see what GU is. All right, so this 5-minute candle closure. Then I'm gonna go ahead and probably buy GU.
Oh, you want to buy GU?
I might buy GU and AU depending on the 5-minute closure. Let me see. It might be safer to do 15-minute closure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on the 15-minute closure, 5:45.
All right.
Because you know what can happen. Market be like, boo.
Yep.
Oh man. Yes, sir.
When you're taking breaks, you consider, like there are some people that they draw out their like the wicks, while others use the body of the candle.
I think the body of the candle is better, and the reason why I say that is because usually the wicks, they can be filled, but they can also be considered like eyes as well. So I think it's just all of the preference. I don't think there's nothing wrong because the body of the candle, I mean, I do both. It just really depends on the scenario. Right, like right now, we have a wick fill. Honestly, I could have bought right here, and I'll be up 13 pips because there's a wick fill to the left. So you can do that, but the only bad thing about that is like even though this is like the high for the candle, this is where the candle started to open. So it's like one of those things. Is like it's just preference. I like to do mine at the body, and then sometimes if it's really wicky, you know what I'm saying? Like if it's something like this, then I like to do the wicks of the candle.
Long.
Say what again?
Okay. No, I thought you meant if the wick, like the large wick.
Right. Yeah, if it's like large wicks, I just do the body of the candle. If it's just like a lot of wicks, like this, even right here, I do the wicks because that's telling me that it's going there a lot of times for a reason. So. Man, we got 3 more minutes on this. Let's see what happens. It might come back down to retest this area. GJ doing? Not a darn thing.
Copy.
It's DXY. He's still in this little range right here for DXY. So, yeah, I'm gonna be very careful taking buys at these highs actually. So. I'll buy GU if it like breaks this high right here. Let me go ahead. Now I'll put my stop loss like, let's see right there, 14 pips. Say you and GCAD.
Yeah, I'm
Sure.
up about 13 feet.
Okay.
My take profit is 40 feet. So go. It's slow.
Nice. You must have bought right here, didn't you?
Where?
See that inverted head and shoulder, my man?
Yeah, I saw that.
I love that.
At the low of the week.
Yes, sir. Then on top of that, you got this thing. This is what Todd told me.
ABCD.
Sorry.
Are you looking for head and shoulder?
Nah, got this right here.
Harmonics.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yes, sir. Boom.
No, Steve uses that in his trading. I don't know how it works.
Oh, he does, bro. I'm telling you, if I get on these harmonic patterns, I could be a beast because I see them all the time.
Well, I don't understand how it works. How does it work?
So it's just basically like a pattern. It's just like a W pattern in formation. It's just you got to connect A, B, C, and D, because if you think about it, for example, like from high to low to high to low, probably to this high. So you might get at this high, because it's all about structure. You might have it come here. So the butterflies usually sell. The bats are usually buys. You know what I'm saying? So you have C jumping up to D. So it's kind of like A from X to A, from B to C, from C to D. That's how you do it. It's from highs to lows to highs to lows. Or if it's an uptrend, it's from low to high to low to high.
Okay. Jumping from highs to lows and lows to highs.
Exactly. Shoot. All right. So that test coming up, right? Shoot, I think I might buy AU. Alright, so AU broke this high. I'm not too sure about AU just yet, but I think AU is probably gonna go up a little bit. Let's see if we can get 10 pips out of this. Let's come up to these wicks for a wick fill. So that'll be about a good. It has to pass these highs because. Alright. I think I'm gonna buy AU. I'm gonna go low risk on this one though.
Okay, you're not too sure about it, right?
So what?
You want to go on low risk, but it's not too, and you don't feel so confident in the trade, right?
No, it's not really. Don't feel confidence in the trade. It's just the position I'm in. Like, I'm kind of like, I have confidence it's gonna blast through, but then again, because it's at the these highs right here.
The high.
Yeah. And I'll close early if it closes back inside here. So the thing with scalping, and I want it to come up here at least. These are 10 pips. So the thing with scalping, you see how it's losing its steam?
With the momentum.
So let's say if it comes down here, and here, let me get closer. Let's even look at GU. Even GU's coming down. So I would truly cut my losses if it starts like breaking these lows. Because you see what it's forming now, and then you look on the 15-minute. Like, yeah, this is probably a retest, but you see what's happening now, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my loss. That's the thing about scalping. You got to be able to make quick moves.
Yeah, quick move.
Yeah,
you have to react fast.
Right, and this is the reason why I didn't take a big risk on it, because it was at the end of the day, but I was expecting some type of wick fill up here, which is right here. And then if it wick filled, then blast through. That's what I was looking for. But CG use that support, so it could possibly, we'll see. So this could be sell opportunities. We got high of the day. We got bearish pressure. But see, what makes it really hard about this part is you have to wait. So for example, if this candle comes, if GU comes down and closes bearish like this, or even like this, you know what I'm saying, then we can possibly be looking to sell down to this area, or this area where the wick is, which would be 20 pips. So, because now it's breaking support, and now it's about to close in support. So,
like the third, look at it on the 1 hour.
On GU?
No. Yeah.
On what? Yeah. So that's why it's like the high today.
GU, the 1 hour.
Yeah. The only difference is it's still in some bullish pressure, so that's why we just gotta wait now to see what happens, because it can reject any time right here now. This is the last support it created. So if it breaks through this support, then we can be looking for potential sales. But I really don't want to sell GU or AU because there is some really like hardcore buying pressure right now. So we'll see what happens here. And since it rejected here, now we put the top here. So now it's creating support and now it's wedging. So you got GJ ranging. AU's losing buying pressure, but it's at support. GU's still in its buying pressure. So from right here, now we gotta play it safe. So looking at the 1 hour. There's nothing but wicks to the top. So now I have to adjust. I have to wait for buys on this highs. Yeah.
Wow. I didn't realize it broke stuff yesterday. I thought it was dropping yesterday.
Oh, which one?
DJ turns out to sell higher yesterday.
Oh yeah. And here's what I got. If GJ breaks this area right here, I'm selling this boy.
Sell, yeah.
Yeah. I know GJ boy when it breaks. So we got selling pressure on GJ. We should have selling pressure on GU, right? And AU since they both correlate. So now we got selling pressure. So now we just wait to see if it breaks these lows, because here's the wicks that kept the market from, going any lower. So if it breaks these lows, then we can be looking to sell AU down here, which would be 10 pips. For GU, it would be more like 20 pips. But I'm more interested in GJ right now. If it breaks this low. Usually this is confirmation for sales, just because it's breaking a former support that usually this would be a confirmation for sales if it closed below, because this is a former support that it created. But because we have a lot of structure here, I'm not safe to sell it here. It's beautiful M though. On the 5 minute.
Is it that imagine it turns to the W?
Right. So now I think that we have this.
There was a W I saw the view. I placed the trade and it went on and took me out.
Oh god.
I got you dropping.
Man, that went up 40 something pips. Man, this is the trade I might want. GU and GJ's looking better for it. Alright, so I want the 5 minute to crush through this low. Because these are where the wicks are, and then it can give us like a 10 pip stop loss. Because on the 15 minute, you see how there's no wick, or there's barely a little wick. So that's why I'm kind of like, hesitant about just selling anywhere. I know these are buys, so don't need this. Don't need this. So what I do see now is this. And if this wick breaks this, it can fill this wick, which is 10 pips. But see how create support comes back up a little bit. So GU does not look like it's playing games right now. So what we got to be careful about GU is you have all this traffic right here. That's why I like GJ better, because it's if it breaks this low, I can clearly see. But with GU, you see all this. So
GJ looks good.
Yeah. With GU, I might, if I do sell GU, I might take it on my other account. But with GJ, it looks better.
Yep. And it's man.
Yeah, man.
Bursting down.
Yep.
Kind of looks like a head, messy, real messy head and shoulders.
Yes, sir. I see it right there. Beep, 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 beep.
Yep.
All right, man. Let's see if we can get something going here, bro. Let's see if we get something going here. It's breaking these wicks. All right. Sells to Alright, so GJ confirmation. We got, let's see, 3 more minutes. And if GJ closes bearish, I'm selling, taking the sell. Probably down to the next right here. All right, GJ, we don't need you down like that on us. Chill out. All right.
Whoa. Candle.
So for GU, I'm gonna take a sell on here. Should I take a sell? If I do, it'll be on my other account. I really want to take a sell. I trust GJ more. I just don't trust GU right now. It's something about GU I don't trust. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that alone. So this is confirmation not to take the sell. All right, so let's look at it. I have not seen Euro JPY in a long time, but I just want to see what it look like. Ew. This is why I don't trade this pair, because this pair is nasty looking. Not even worth looking at. Oh man.
But it's been trending down for the past 5 days.
Ew. Nasty, man. All right, so we really got nothing on GU and AU right now. It's just stuck in this range now.
Yeah, that's reject me. On my chart, is rejected average.
Yeah, GJ looks see something. Do like that.
Oh, that week is scary.
Yes, the good thing is it can come down to feel that wick. Which makes sales it makes sales more liable, and it makes it more makes you more comfortable to get in for a sale. But honestly, I would rather see it kind of like break this area, and then I put my stop loss right here, swing it down to this area. Say it again.
But if the candle closes below that zone that you drew out.
Yeah, right here. And the reason why probably GJ is not coming down because you have all of this right here. So it's kind of like it wants to break, but then again, it doesn't want to break, you know?
Uh-huh.
Like I could have sold right there, but I could have sold right here because I knew this is a wick fill that's coming. But just to be on the safe side, you know, I'd rather take my sales right here because that's telling me that it's wanting to continue, downwards, if that makes sense. Yeah. All right. Let me get ready to sell GJ. Once again, I'm going to do a very low risk. My sales will be right here. Previous candle, which would be 12 pips. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and take, let's see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the sell. Pips, which would be right above this candle. Good gracious, look at that pullback. And this is the reason why I risk low, because if it's a fake out and it goes right back up, then hey, it is what it is. We'll take the hit. So in reality, it should be up here, my stop loss, which is here, 164,948. I'm gonna adjust myself.
10 pips.
164,948. I got it like 12 pips for the 15-minute.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna swing it down here. All right, come on, GJ. Come on. You're in profit. Let's go. Come on. Don't go cold on me. Let me see what GU doing. GU's doing some funky stuff too. I ain't worried about GU though. 37.
Yeah, GU doesn't look nice at all.
Yeah, I like it, bro. That's why I should have got in early, because I knew it was going to feel that wick. But hey, I ain't worrying about it. TP is right here, which is 672. The reason why, if I would have gotten early, which was like right here, because the wick was there, I would have been up at least like 8 pips right now, and I could have secured like maybe around 8 pips if I was comfortable. But it's all good. What's GU doing? It's selling. AU selling. All right, so this is looking good. It's a banger. It's a banger. It's a banger. Man, it's crazy because it's like my new way of trading, bro. Like, I'm not even really a scalper. And now that I'm scalping, what? And the thing is, if I take a loss, I don't care, because it's a low risk.
Yes.
So I learned my scalping game first off from Ty, and then of course, you know, Rajah Banks. You know, I watch him, and what I've realized is like trading can be hard during the day because you're at work. Like, I'm working all the time, and so when I'm sending out analysis, it's like, okay, here's the analysis, but then again, am I able to look at my phone? So I had to start setting like buy limits and sell limits and stuff like that, which I don't really mind, but I like to trade when I'm looking at the charts. You know, I like to be focused on the charts. So that's why I was like, you know what? See what the scalping thing gonna do for me.
Yeah, man.
Plus, you can get killer entries with scalping.
I've always loved scalp. Yeah, on those 5-minute entry, then pip stop loss. Because
exactly.
My own strategy, and I've been looking for a way to reduce the. That's why I love the way Brandon always gets 10 pips on most of his entries. All of them. His name and Forex.
Right.
So now.
Right. This TP would be 672. Position that thing. It's like, I'm falling. I'm falling. 15 pips. Oh, I forgot to tell you, man. So this is my 100K account too, because I said I'm gonna get the 100K account for like just scalping purposes only.
So 100K?
Heck yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So you're using it for scalping?
Yes, sir. So I got 100K and a 10K.
I'm on a 5K.
Oh, you on 5K? You said 5K?
Okay. That's CMO. No, 10.5, 10.5.
Oh, 25. I was like 5K.
Oh, nah. Go on. You say you want 100K.
Yeah. Yep. That way. Let's see here. That's the only thing about GJ is GJ could, like, AU's going up, GU's going back up. What does that mean? GJ might be going back up. Yeah, so that happens though sometimes. Like the pullback's going to be pullback. So if GJ wants to decide to come up here and take me out, then I'm done.
Look for a retest and
I probably won't.
breaks that place. It's gonna do it to buy.
Yeah, probably back to buys. Yeah, but you see, even if I entered here for the wick, I would have been up 10 pips. But in my opinion, since GJ already broke this area, I'm still confident that it may come down here, because I'm like, when GJ breaks like that, it usually keeps going. If it goes back up, it's a fake out. But if it does come all the way back up here, right here, and I'm like, okay, cool. It is what it is. And I'll just leave a runner. I'll secure I have 3 positions in, so once it gets right here, I'll leave it. I'll take off my table of 2 positions. But when I break even, leave a runner. Look at you falling.
Look at that candle was blue for, it was green for,
hey, that's that candle. That's that scary candle. That's that candle like I'm getting at the market.
Then the moment you get in, you get out, then this happens.
Exactly. And the reason why is because we just know GJ. GJ is just it is kind of a scary pair if you don't know how to trade it.
Yeah, very scary.
Okay, so like for example, like it's jumping up right here because you have this wick that was left. So the bad thing about it is if it breaks this top wick, it can keep going, right?
Yeah.
But we all know, but right now it's not doing that. It's just like feeling a little bit of it dropping, feeling a little bit and dropping. That's the hope. And here, watch this. Look on the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks very nice. Like this is an OB right here. It is an older block right here. So it's probably stopping right around there, but I'm not allowing that to like, you know, and plus there's no top wick on here, which I should have like, there is a top wick actually, which is very small. But when you see candles like this, now you're at a 50-50 because top wick candles like that usually means that there's a possibility it can go back up and just like reverse on you. But it is what it is.
It is.
You said what?
No, I get what you said. It is what it is.
That's right. And then a lot of times people won't be getting the trade because they're very scared and they're like, oh man, I'm not going to get in the trade because this is a big candle. What should I do? And I'm like, bro, it's showing you what it's doing. Like you're not always, and I had to tell myself this too, Daniel. I had to tell myself, I was like, Jonah, you're not always going to have a perfect trade. Like your confirmations, you know what I'm saying?
True.
Yeah, your confirmations can line up. You know what I'm saying? And like everything can go your way, but there's some trades that just ain't gonna go your way.
Exactly. No one's perfect.
Like I would have took this GJ sell over here yesterday, and I'm so mad I missed it. Perfect.
No,
it would have been like a
yesterday. Told me. Yeah. He was telling me like found an indicator that it's 100% accurate. What? 100%?
100%.
There's nothing like that.
100%.
No, it's crazy how here like
shoot
both ways where you can be so scared of missing a trade and that affects you, and you can be scared of getting into a trade that was not in the negative.
Exactly. Yep. And that's what Paris see. Look right here. Has nothing to do with my entry, has nothing to do with me, you know, not really trading right. It just, the market is just doing what the market is doing.
Could actually be a retest.
Yeah, right here. That's
if
right.
It doesn't break. Yeah.
If it breaks these highs, then we're through. But look at AU. AU's like, I'm a genius, Jonah. You should have stuck with me. I swear AU does this to me every time. I swear, anytime I trade GU, GJ, let's see if I trade US 30 or anything like that, and I'm like, the market's doing something crazy, I'll go back to AU and it's just moving just smoothly. And I'm like, what? This makes no sense. My alert did go off for AU, but
yeah, he broke those
yeah,
with Excel.
Yep. I mean, I could go on my other account and just, oh, it's only a 5 pip stop loss. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Nah, I don't trust it. I do trust it now on the 4 hour, actually. I'm just kidding. Ooh. So the thing about oh gosh, I'm going to have to. AU is looking too beautiful to reject. All right. Let me go on my other account and go to AU. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. I'll wait for a 15-minute. That will be only 6 pips. We can probably scalp it down to 10 pips. He'll be right here. 69, 318. All right. So GJ looks like it no longer wants to keep going. So I got to be prepared to cut if it gets to 930, like around that area. Yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna cut. I'm just gonna let it hit. I'll just let it hit my stop loss. Because you never know, the market could turn right back around.
Yep.
Exactly. And plus, I keep forgetting it's FOMC day, so I should be expecting something crazy. All right, so AU is about to close in my 5 minutes, so. Oops. What the heck am I doing here? That's not what I wanted to do. So if it passes this, I'd like to see what happens. It's not gonna. What in the world? I want to delete this. Okay, there it is. Damn, man. I think this coffee may be hot.
I just got in on Eurocard buys, like a smaller position because I'm in G card already.
Okay. Okay. Where's your stop
Yeah.
loss?
Stop loss is at, let me see,
Shoot, I might get in with you on this trade.
1.3. Oh, you want to get in?
Sure, I might get in with you because it's looking like crazy buys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this position.
Yep.
I'm just gonna close one of my positions, so that's why I'm not risking too much, just in case GJ wants to go back down. Look at GJ. Heck yeah, GJ, just come on, go back down, GJ. Go back down. You know you want to. EuroCAD.
Stop loss is at 1.3036.
Actually, I'm gonna wait on this
till it breaks those highs right there. Right?
Yeah, because it's just super wicky right there. It's like, let's break, and then let's not break.
What's a new plan?
So
the red.
Oh my goodness. All right, so GJ is just like doing what GJ is gonna do. I'm actually about to take some AU sales, fam.
Yeah, AU looks like it's gonna.
Yeah, AU's looking good. GU's looking good too, but better if AU won't stop acting like it don't wanna. Come on, AU. I just need you to do one more thing. Okay. So I lost on GJ.
Oh, as it hits. Whoop. Whoa.
So that's why I should have got in like here. When it filled that wick, I would have been up at least 10 pips already. So, but it happens, dude.
Yeah.
Well, took a loss on GJ. I'm kind of hesitant to take another trade right now because everything seems like it's ranging. Yeah. I have like one more risk to take, so I'll be good, but I don't want to over risk.
But you closed on GJ. You closed one.
No, I didn't close any positions in profit because the other two positions was when it passed the whole wick.
Oh.
It ain't, so that one didn't get to 10 pips yet. Now watch GJ just go down. Oh no, it didn't. Yeah, right now it's just like I feel like everything's kind of stable now. So there's really nothing to be like. And it happens. So GJ might go back down. You know, it may not. But now it's stuck in this range over here. And if it does come back up and passes this high, it can break to the highs, to grab this liquidity up here with this wick fill. But if I tell you what though, if gold breaks this area, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to take this cream. 1727. If I do trade FOMC, bro, I'm going to be getting in and out.
In and out.
In and out, fam. Because look at this, bro. Look how clean these candles to the left are. Look how clean this is. That's from 27 to 36 to 37, bro. That's a dang 100 pip move.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. Everything else is stagnant now. But of course, GJ wants to look like it wants to go back down. But so took a loss on GJ, and of course, it's going back down now. That's 987. Where's my pen at? And that's why sometimes an earlier entry is better. But the reason why I mean literally I had to wait for that, man, because if I didn't wait on this, who knows what would have happened. But there goes GJ. And that's GJ for you. So let me see where you're. So you still in EuroCAD buys?
Yes.
That's what's up. Yeah, if it breaks this though, I'll get in. I'll hop in your little EuroCAD boss. Shoot, I'm about to go ahead and put this. I'm glad you said that, bro. This because EuroCAD looks clean to the top side.
Yep.
Now the only thing I don't like right now is forming a bearish flag, which is more selling pressure. So if it does sell, it'll be down here. I'm gonna add EuroCAD. See here.
Yo, I just looked at USD CHF that I sold data out, and it at my take profits that I set. Wow.
Oh, you got into USD CHF?
Yeah, yesterday, but it took me out.
Oh, damn.
And then dropped all the way to the top.
Of course. That's not surprising.
Would have been like 1 to 4. Yeah, man, it's but looking at it right now, it gave another entry that I would have taken moment it hit my stop loss, I deleted the finally.
Oh yeah. I understand that. Now AU's doing some new stuff. Okay, I see you, AU. I see you. But yeah, that's the thing about, you know, AU, boy. I mean, excuse me. I said AU. That's the thing about them US pairs, boy. They'll stop you out and keep going. I remember I got so mad with those pairs, boy. Okay.
Yeah, man. Like, it's very annoying.
It is, man. It really is. I was going to buy Euro USD right here. Would have been up 43 pips. Dang. Is it GU? I have a confidence that GU might come back and fill this wick up here, though. Clean candles to the left, only 1 hour. Here's the top body. That would be 16 pips. Yeah, if GU breaks this area, 1-2-2708. All right, so I'm done with GJ for right now. I'm not touching US 30 today, I don't think.
Because of news?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I might, because, man, I heard we might have a big reset in the market. So that would be bad, really bad for the stocks. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like there's, let's see where you're okay at. Yeah. I feel like everything's just waiting for FOMC now. So let's look at this for GJ. So what I learned from GJ is it did what I wanted it to do. It did do its 13 pips. It's my entry. So what I'm going to start doing is, if I see a wick like this next time and I see that the candle comes down and breaks this low again, I'm going to enter right there and ride it down to that wick, and then plus some to 10 pips, and I'll just take my profit.
That would have been a way better entry.
I really wanted a 15 pip stop loss, but I really did not I just really did not want my stop loss that big, so I just made it 12 pips. That's why I got hit. So if it was at 15 pips, I would not have got hit. This is another opportunity to sell GJ, to be honest, but I mean,
that was about to say.
You said what again?
That was what I was about to say. That looks like we could still sell.
Yeah.
That kind of going up, close below.
Ooh, maybe not, because I'm just looking on the 15-minute, and this is what I'm seeing. Seeing this wick to the top side. so it can come back and fill this wick. Yeah, nope, it's a no-go for me. I'm gonna leave it alone. I feel good, man, because my losses is not that big.
It's a good thing because being with a big position.
Exactly. It was only like 1%. Only lost 1,000. That's it. But see, here's the thing though. When you get clean breaks on AU, like, don't get me wrong, I love me some GJ when it goes, but AU would give you a clean stop loss, and AU will also give you some clean entries. GJ, you gotta fish for that bad boy.
And EJ is the worst.
Say it again.
I think your JPY, that's the worst of all of them.
Oh yeah. Yep. You got support right here.
Does anybody trade silver?
There go GJ. Here it is. Here's the GJ I was looking for. Nah, not that I know of, to be honest.
Because I see it on my charts. I see it on the list, like on my MT4 list. I'm like,
really?
Does anybody actually trade it? Yeah.
Yeah, so GJ could be still valid for sales, but I would trade on my other account, so I'm probably not going to do that though. I'm just going to wait. This was originally what I was looking for as far as like a second bearish confirmation, but like you got on a 30-minute, you got a wick down, so it can fill this wick, but on the 15-minute, you have a wick up as well. You can feel this wick. All right, let's look at something. Let's look at, oh shoot. Look at FX Street right quick. All right, so yeah, so you got this can go sideways real quick. Hey, you could buy and then sell like real hard. You got inflation impacting like almost every economy, dude. It's crazy. All right, so I don't see anything else. Yeah, I think right now we're probably coming to the end of the session, so everything else is just on the wait, and I'll trade until I see a real break. If during FOMC I see like a break to the downside right here and it closes real strong, I'll probably trade it, but I'm gonna be very cautious. I'm gonna wait for a retest because I don't want it doing nothing like this, you know. But if it does come to the upside, I will look for potential sells, because last time it did this 3 times in a row. Last time it did this, I took the sell and I profited a lot, and it did it 3 times in a row in 2 days.
Well, was that what news?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. So right now, I mean, technically speaking, if it's in this channel right here, then it could just do this all day. Just because that's what you see right here.
Uh-huh.
So you mark it up. And you make it that simple. So here's the thing. If it crashes like real hard right here with one candle, especially on an hour, you can look for buys, because usually when that happens, that's what the market is doing. It's pushing to a level that it actually wants to buy from, and vice versa. But like I said, we got to be smart. So, I mean, like I said, I might trade FOMC. It just depends on how I feel. So,
I think I can skip this one. I'm not trading FOMC today.
Yeah, more than likely, I'm probably not going to trade FOMC. I'm just probably going to sit back and just,
Yeah, man, I look for
Yeah.
trade the next day within the session.
Yeah. But like I said, if it gives me that, confirmation button, boy, I am getting it. Shit. All right, that's what's up, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. So,
Okay.
all right, man. It was good trading with you today.
You too, man.
Yes, sir. All right.